cast. Chief. George. Bad guy. And who could forget Dogman? George. Harold. Hey, Harold, yeah? Let's make a Dogman comic. Okay. Let's go to our treehouse to do it. Yeah. Make. Ta-da! Check it out. One time there was a cop called George and a dog called George. They both loved their job, but Chief was really angry at them sometimes. Officer, cop, you're a tough one, but you got no brains. And Cop Doggy, you're a very smart dog, but you got no strength. You two are so annoying. Get out of my sight. Darn. Chief is really mad at us again. So, look at that. They're so sad. Well, this is gonna get sadder, but happier for me. Mwah, ha, ha, ha. Help! It's a bomb! What wire should I cut? Green or red? Ruff. Okay, green it is. Snap. Kaboom! Uh-oh, I forgot dogs are colorblind. Wee. I'm sorry, Cop, but your head is dying. Oh, man. I'm sorry too, Doggy. Your body's dying. Wait a moment. I could sew the dog's head onto a cop's body. Hooray for Dogman! Ruff, ruff! Well. So you're the world's greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bub. Or else you're fired. Go. Arrest the bad guy. Ruff, ruff! Meanwhile, at the bad guy's secret lab, I shall order a clone machine. If Dogman's 2 cops in one, I'll have to double my efforts to match him. Ordering clone machine. Here you go. Step 1. Insert data into data sheet. I'll just use here for that. Step 2. Press start button. Hey, are you my papa? No, I am not your papa. You're my clone, and I am a girl, not a boy. Papa! Dude, could you stop calling me that? You're my clone, alright? I want my money back. I want my hair back. I want my life back. Meanwhile, Dogman was trying to figure out just who is the bad guy. Then along came Chief with a kitty. No, with a kid. Hi there. Are you Dogman? Ruff ruff. Ooh, that probably hurt. Ruff ruff. Can you take me home? Ruff ruff. Great. Is this your house? Rough. It looks better on the inside. Whoa. You have a pool? Wowee. I really want to swim. Rough. Oh. I don't have a swimsuit. Right. I just started living here. Now let's go get a swimming suit. I want a brown one. Rough. Woo! Woohoo! A brown swimming suit. I want to go swimming there right now. Splash, swim, 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 swim. This is nice water, Dogman. Wow. How did that do that? It just sucked me in and it popped me out of the ground. I want to do that again. What the heck? Well, that's the end of our show, folks. Now, how to make a Dogman. So, you get a Lego cop, make a dog face, not a whole body. Put some tape on the back of the dog face, and then stick it onto the cop's face. That's how you do it. See ya, folks.